Hi guys, how we doing? Phil Kent here, welcome back. Right, on this particular video as part of the Affiliate Mentor Spark Review series, I'm going to just cover the upgrades quite quickly for you. They are covered on the welcome videos from the Start Here tab, but a lot of people have already asked me what are the upgrades, are they worth it, and stuff like that. So first things first, are they worth it? Absolutely 100%. Are they mandatory? No, they are not. Any upgrades, as with most program, is a optional thing inside, but I highly recommend them. It all depends what you want from this particular business. If you want to set yourself up for the maximum earnings and align yourself to be in the maximum earnings possible and things like that, then absolutely upgrades are worth it. There are two main upgrades inside. What I like about this program is, there's a core upgrade and there's a VIP club upgrade. Now most programs, as you know, online, as soon as you mention the word sort of VIP upgrade, you're talking $2,000, $5,000, even $10,000 to $15,000 I have seen with some online programs, which is insane. Okay, it really is, in my personal opinion. And this is affordable to almost the masses. If you take both of the upgrades that I'm going to recommend, you're looking at about $700 in total, but the commission potentially is very, very high indeed. So videos do cover it, but I always like to cover it myself so you can actually see inside a little bit more. It's not just some fancy sales video. I'm fully upgraded myself in both core and the VIP, so I do lead by example with my team, and I've had 3 members already upgrade because success leaves clues, and also you should always lead by example, because if you're not positioned yourself and one of your team members has said, hey, I'm looking at the upgrades, what do you think, have you upgraded yet? And you say, well, no, I haven't, I thought I'd give it a month first and then I'll upgrade. Guess what? They're going to do the same. Yeah. So that's what needs to happen. So basically, what you're looking at, I'm inside the core module at the moment. Now, straight away, this core training is far more than the Spark training. The Spark modules are around about 15, I believe, of these recorded webinar sort of recordings, recorded Zoom calls. There's 32 here, so it's far more straight away. They're done by Greg Chambers. Very, very informative. Tons of value, covering different aspects every single time. Now you also qualify then for the Click Cash. This comes through from GetResponse. It's automatically all linked to GetResponse. At the moment, most of my traffic is coming through Leads Leaps, and my sort of leads actually on here are quite low. I've had some come through. I have filtered some through to their pages directly, especially if people. You can have people come through your own autoresponder, and if they then go to start the sort of payment procedure, if you like, to grab the $25 Spark position, they enter the name and their email address and then take the step 2, but then for some reason they change their mind, they'll automatically appear then as a lead, and then the system will follow up. I hope that makes sense. Yeah? But you can qualify for some Click Cash earnings. Now, I'll come back to that in a second. It works around about 20 cents a click. There are some members who are sending bundles of traffic straight to their system capture pages, are already earning quite well from just the Click Cash. So it's just another sort of thing that you qualify as part of the core. Now, the core value, the core pricing, should I say, there's 2 ways of getting the core. Okay, the first one is on a monthly basis, and it's around about, I think it's $50 a month. I think it's $49.97 or whatever it may be. But for argument's sake, we'll call it about $50 a month. So you get access to the Click Cash, you get access to the core training modules, etc. And that goes with it. Now, anybody that comes through you as a core monthly member, you're going to get a $20 per month residual commission from those for as long as they stay a member. Yeah. But here's the kicker. Okay, as with most monthly offers, should we say, when they nearly always offer out an annual deal. Now, if you take the annual deal with the core value at the moment, you're basically going to get 12 months, as with most of them, you get 12 months for the price of 10. So for argument's sake, we're going to call it $500 for easy maths, okay? So if you pay $500, you're going to get the annual membership, so you're going to get 12 months for the price of 10. But there's a massive offer on at the moment in what they call in their pre-launch first year phase, which shows you the vision of this program. Yeah? And they're saying that they're doing a buy one, get one free offer on the annual deal. Okay, so basically what they're saying is, if you take on the annual deal for $500 for 10 months, yeah, you're going to get 2 years for the price of that one. So basically you're going to get 2 years of the core annual qualification for the price of 10 months. And you work that over a 2-year period. It's crazy, okay? And anybody that comes through you, anybody in your team that comes through you and purchases that core annual, you're going to get straight away a $200 commission on top of that. So it's not going to take long for you to get your returns back on that, okay? Highly worth it. Also, you'll be, because you're fully positioned at core, you'll also qualify for any core monthly ones that come through as well, which is an added bonus. Now, also, the reason I recommend the core annual is secondly because I don't want you to lose out commissions. I don't want to see anybody lose out on any commissions. And how that would work is basically if you have a team member who goes core monthly, yeah, and then he brings in somebody else who also goes core monthly, okay, that's fine, they're going to receive that core monthly commission. However, if that team member, or they take us, say that team member underneath you, if they bring in a core annual member and that person's only core monthly member who brought them in, guess what? They're not core annual qualified. So that commission will bypass them and go to myself or yourself or whatever. So bear that in mind. You know, I don't like to see anybody losing commission. So, and the way to position yourself for both is to become a core annual member. Plus you get all the bonus training modules and you qualify for Click Cash as well. So if you're linking directly to GetResponse and you're sending all your traffic, you're going to generate these clicks, and it's just a little bit of extra income as well. Okay. Now, on top of that, we have the VIP Club, the VIP Marketers Club. So there's 2 or 3 parts to this as well. First of all, we've got this tab that's open here. We've got the Wholesale Traffic Store. Now, the program of Affiliate Mentor is backed by Traffic Authority. If you know anything about Traffic Authority, it's the leading premium traffic provider. It's been online for many years. You know, it is high cost traffic compared to a lot of them, but like I said, it's a leading premium traffic service. And by joining the VIP Marketers Club, okay, you're going to get access to some of the wholesale traffic packages at massively discounted prices. Now, as you can see, so we start down here. We start with the sort of the lowest one that's on offer here. You've got the starter option priced at $497. And here's the best part about this wholesale traffic store. Not only are you getting discounted traffic, but you're getting guaranteed sales and guaranteed leads. You will not get this anywhere. This is not one of these cheap sites that said, hey, guaranteed sign-ups. This is going to give you a guaranteed amount of leads and a guaranteed amount of sales according to the package. Now, if you bought any traffic from anywhere before, like a sale ad from Udemy or something like that, you purchase an amount of clicks, they will never guarantee the amount of leads and certainly won't guarantee the sales. But here we are. So the starter option $497, it should be retailing at $1,000. It's a 50% discount, so you're saving $500. And out of that, you're going to get 1 guaranteed sale and 180 guaranteed leads. Okay, which works out 800 clicks at 65 cents per click. Like I said, the retail, as you know, for anything from Traffic Authority is retailing normally at $1.25 a click. Okay. Then you've got the $997 VIP Boost. That's going to give you 2 guaranteed sales and 350 guaranteed leads. And the top one is going to give you 5 guaranteed sales, 1,000 guaranteed leads. It's a high package. It should be $5,500, but you're going to get it for $2,997. Now, these are premium packages, but that's one thing that's available. Okay. Now, secondly, you've got the VIP Certification Hub. Just click onto that. You've got the video itself here. Which is 1 hour and 38 minutes long, but the PDFs and the flipping books are far better. They're so much more detailed, so much more information on the images of the graphs and text and everything else. So very good course. Really goes in depth about, you know, building your affiliate marketing business and building your affiliate mentor business and how to get more leads and sales. And it's a fantastic value. It really is very high quality. And now on top of that, of course, you also get your 2x2 matrix, okay? Now, this works in the same way as the Spark Matrix. However, when you purchase your VIP Marketers Club membership, you open up a new matrix board immediately. But this one instead is a $500 board. Now, as you can see, I've already got 3 out of 6 positions filled. when those remaining 3 fill up, this board will then cycle and I'll earn a $500 commission. And also, so it's the same setup as the Spark ones. Instead of getting $50, you're going to get $500 because it's a $500 board, yeah. And also the same way is when any of your team members, if they fill a board, you're also going to be in line to receive a 50% matching bonus on that. Okay, so if this person here fills their board and cycles a $500 board, I'm going to receive a $250 matching bonus, and this can happen over again and again and again. So you can see the power of this. This is where people like our team leader Ed Keat is already getting multiple $500 sales come in because his team's growing and growing. He's getting multiple matching bonuses, and the power of this program is absolutely huge. So you're going to get that matrix board as well, and as soon as it cycles, you get another board automatically reopened. Okay, you're going to get the VIP certification hub with all the training. Is fantastic value, and you're going to get the discounted wholesale traffic store as well. Like I said, on this one, and the upgrade on this, I can't remember how much it is. It's about $200, something like that. Because I've already done it, the prices I sort of passed. Can't remember what I paid, but I know around about all together for the two of them, the core annual and the VIP, are $700. Call it $700, which to me is amazing value. For the value you're getting, the core annual is way better than the monthly, guys, seriously, because you're going to get the 2 years at the moment, and that's not going to be around forever. You're going to get the 2 years for the price of one, and you're going to get all the extra training modules, you're going to get the click cash and all the rest of it, yeah, and you're going to be fully positioned to receive any core commissions, alright. And the VIP club, you've got the marketer suite, you've got the traffic suite, you've got the extra matrix board, etc. So they are highly recommended. They are not mandatory, they are highly recommended. Just remember, if you're coming on board to take this business seriously and you want to position yourself fully, then Upgraded is the place to be. Because if you just come into the Spark membership, which is fine, that's what you want to do, come in with your $25 Spark membership, you must be a $25 Spark membership, that is fine, but don't forget, anybody in your team that comes in, whether it's written by yourself or whatever, if they decide to upgrade, okay, in any form whatsoever, especially with the core commissions coming through, they're going to completely bypass you, okay. And if they take a VIP, even though there's not an instant commission attached to the VIP, if they take VIP and you're not, guess what, that person's going to drop into, say, my VIP board, for example. So you want them dropping into yourself, you don't want them dropping into other people's. So just bear that in mind. These two videos do sort of they do cover the VIP and they do cover the core as well. It's like the sales presentation videos, but I like to do it myself so I can show you on the screen real time what they are, the value you're getting, and everything else. And if I click on sort of my stats here, as you can see, I've not even been with this company 30 days. I can't remember the date I joined. I think we're approaching 4 weeks this weekend, I can't remember. But as you can see, we go down to what we're talking about. The core commissions, I already received $600 in core commissions. VIP commissions, that's zero at the moment because my board hasn't cycled, but as I showed you, I'm only a couple of slots away before that cycles. I've already got 2 VIP members, I've got 3 core members, and my earnings so far are $710 at the time of making this video, and I'm not even been here a month. So you can see the power of this. You can see the potential here. It is huge. Our team leader has got, he's broken around about $7,000 in less than 30 days as well. People are doing it extremely well. It's a very good program. Every now and then they come along. So guys, depending on where you're watching this, get back to me with any questions or anything else. Just reach out, just get started. We've got exclusive content with our team as well. We've got exclusive pages to use, extra training. Edward's even put a traffic rotator in to help people try and get their first 1 or 2 people on board. We just want everybody to do well. It's not just a case of getting numbers in like some people do, as you know, out there. They just get you on as a number. I'm easily contactable via Facebook or email. You can reach out to me and I'll help you in any way that I can. I'm putting my own individual funnel together for team members to use at their leisure and things like that. So there we go, guys. These are the upgrades. They are highly worth it. So I've been as open as I can. I don't want the video's gone any longer. We just hit the 15 minutes mark. So get yourself on board, get upgraded, get positioned, and then you're in position for maximum earnings. Because like I said, you can receive roll-up commissions from people further down the matrix who, if you've got people below you that haven't upgraded and they bring you people that do, it's going to leapfrog them and it's going to come to you. This is the game changer. This is where you can get roll-up commissions from people that you don't even know and things like that. So thanks for watching, guys. Whatever you're doing, have a great day, and I'll catch you on the next video. Cheers and bye for now.